Hello guys, today we solve this problem, daily problem, lead code daily problem 118 Pascal triangle. Here we can see example 1, test cases 1. Here row number is 5, means there are 5 rows, and the output should be the combination of previous, the addition of two previous one. Let's go to that particular problem, then we can see. Yeah, this is the lead code 118 problem. Here we can see the uh, second row is the combination of a first. Here one is start and one is the end, which is fixed static, and in between this the dynamic element are the combination of previous one. So quickly we code this one. Yeah, first we initialize that array list. So for that list of list, yeah, list array list, sorry, integer, then list is here we miss one, list is equal to new array list. Then second we create one for first row wise we can create one list, it should be capital, integer, row is equal to new array list. Now we first we if we see the test cases, there are row number one. If the row contain only one value, then it's static. So it not the output should be same. So for that we can directly assign the add that one to that list. So for that we write row dot add one. And the second we can add this row data to the list, because in list we can retrieve the data. So for that list dot add row, yeah, but now we can iterate that for loop, and here we can find that addition of the previous row value and paste it in the next row. So for that we iterate int I is equal to 1, because we already started 1 is fixed, and so we start for next index 1, I less than norms row nums norm row, and I plus plus. Here we define two lists. First one is current list integer current row, because we working on current row where we store that previous sum of previous two number in the previous sum of previous two number. Yeah, new array list, and another list is for previous one. Whatever in store in for now, whatever store in that list we can store in previous, because we already added that row, whatever previous row is equal to new list dot get whatever we get, whatever present in the list we can add. Now here we can see the start and end should be same, and it is static and it is fixed, so no need to change. You can directly add the one in the first and end. So for that current cur row dot add one, This one is for start cur dot add one, this one for the end, and in between this we can iterate the for loop and paste the previous sum of a two number and store in that in between them. So for that we can write another loop int j. It also start from 1. It is basically column level. First row level we fetch iterate this for loop, and the second is column level. We can iterate the second loop. J should be less than I, j plus plus. Here we do one thing. In current one, we store what we store, the previous two, sum of previous two. So for current C current row dot add preview row dot get j minus 1 plus preview row dot get current. These two we can store in our row. Then simply we add these two in the list dot add, then current, then we simply return this list. Let's run this one. Here we see some error. This one, it by mistakenly typed, yeah, list spelling mistake, list dot add. This time limit exceed starting from I minus 1. First I add that 1, then j equal to 1 to less than j plus plus, current dot add previous j minus 1, previous get j, current row, add 1 dot row j from 1, so row I plus plus. Here we can see j, sorry, now if we run, yeah, we submit this one. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.